What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. So in today's video we've got another one on AMP token, AMP coin. So that's what we're going to be doing, a review, price update, price prediction on over the next few days, weeks, as well as next few months, and what price target can it hit in 2022. You probably have seen it on the title or the thumbnail. So yeah, we're basically going to do a price prediction over the long run as well, so next year as well. So this is not the ideal graph that you're seeing on the screen right now. No one wants to see this. As you can see, it's just been dipping, unless you're one of the people who do buy the dips. But even after you've bought the dips, you don't want to see this graph. You want to see the opposite way. So hopefully that does happen over the next few weeks, and hopefully it does recover in 2021. But that's what we're going to be looking at today as well. So before I get into the video, I just want to let you guys know this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. And also, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as there will be a giveaway once I hit 25k subscribers. So make sure you stay tuned for that as well. And also, it would be much appreciated if you could give me a follow on Instagram. The link to that will be in the description box down below. So the price of AMP in pounds is currently 3 pence, just above 3 pence, and in dollars, for those who are based in the US, just above 4 cents. So in the last 24 hours, as you can see, is looking quite positive, 6.44% up in the last 24 hours. However, over the week it is down 20%, which is a huge amount, guys. A fifth of its value has been taken off in just a week. It started off at about 4 pence and went all the way down to 3. You might, guys, it looks like it's just 1 pence, but it is a huge amount depending on how much you've invested. And over the month it has dropped a huge 55%. Again, it has not been performing well at all. As you can see, it's reached just about 7 cents and then 7 pence in pounds, and dropped like less than half what it was worth. And obviously over the year it is on a plus. However, we don't really care what happened earlier on the year. We care about the last few weeks to a month and a half, which has not been looking very good at the moment. So the market cap we've got of 1.3 billion pounds, the volume in the last 24 hours 17.9 billion pounds, and the circulating supply of 42.2 billion AMP. I'm not going to go through what about AMP is and so on, because I've already done that. If you haven't checked it out, do check out my previous AMP videos. So I'm currently on the CoinMarketCap website. Let's have a look. The trading volume has gone up by 21%. It looks like a lot of people have been buying it, or have they been selling it? Let me know what you guys think. Are people, because the value has gone up in the last 24 hours by just about 6%, are people buying it or selling it? Let me know. What would you do? Personally, I wouldn't buy it because it's going up in value. So if I did buy some, I'll probably hold it on for a little bit longer rather than selling it. So I wouldn't be trading at this time. But some people, which is not, I wouldn't say a mistake, but something that I've done in the past, is when a cryptocurrency goes up in value, a lot of people tend to buy it thinking that it's going up, let me buy it now, it's going to keep going up. However, sometimes it does, most of the time it doesn't, but at times it does, but most of the time it does, it drop back down in value. And again, guys, I'm not telling you guys to not buy it or buy it or anything like that. It's entirely up to you what you want to do. If you want to buy it, go ahead. If you don't, then don't. But yeah, I'm just here giving you guys my prediction and my take on this crypto. So yeah, we've already gone through the graph, so we're going to keep the 3-month chart on the screen right now, which should look a little, let's have a look. Is it green or red? It is red. It has dipped. It looks like it started off at the same time and same value, and is ended at the same value. However, it is a little bit lower. So yeah, not looking too great for AMP over the next past few days. But now on to the future. What is AMP looking like over the next few days, weeks, months, and by 2022, what target should or may it hit? So as you can see, we've got the candlestick pattern here, and we are looking at the 30-minute chart. So let me get some indicators out. So we've got the MACD indicator here at the bottom, looking like more or less like a roller coaster. As you can see, up down, and at the moment it is just about fluctuating. Let me move it up to the hourly chart just to get an overall picture. Here it is. So over the next few hours, we are expecting this crypto to fluctuate at the current price range. As you can see, both the lines are very close to each other. Obviously, we've got the blue one going down in value and the orange one fluctuating, meaning there might be the slightest dip in value over the next few hours. However, it wouldn't affect the price of AMP that much, because it's just the slightest price drop. So literally, it might not even be a price drop. That's how that's how less it is. Moving up to the 2-hour chart, let's have a look. Finally, guys, looking a little bit more positive over the next 12 to 16 hours, maximum 24 hours. So let's say for the next day is looking quite positive, going up in value as I'm recording this video. And again, there will be dips in between, there will be peaks, but the overall outcome is going to be positive, and it is looking quite steep as well. So yeah, some very good feedback, or not feedback, sorry, some very good conclusion or results for the next few hours. And again, this wouldn't affect anyone holding it at the moment, only because it's for the next few hours. It's not something that's going to majorly affect the price of AMP. Moving up to the 4-hour chart, it has gone down now. Again, it's not looking as steep as the previous one, however, as long as it's going in a positive direction, that's all we need. So again, we've got the blue and the orange line in a bullish direction, and yeah, which means going up in value over the next few days as well. So next 3 to 4 days, do expect this 0.04322 to go up in value, and hopefully it does. Hopefully it doesn't let us down like it has been for the past 2-3 weeks. Over the next week and a half, again looking a little bit positive, however we can't guarantee that. We've got the orange line in the fluctuation line and the blue line going up in value, meaning it's a win-win situation. Both the lines are very close to each other as well. So yeah, it's looking quite positive so far. However, the way it's been performing is absolutely insane. And finally, over the next few weeks, again we should see some price drop over the next, let's say, 3.5 weeks, maximum a month. Sorry, we should expect a drop in value. As you can see, but the orange line is looking bearish, and so is the blue line, just about fluctuating, so nothing positive as of yet. So yeah, it is just about to drop in value. Again, it's not a major drop, it's just probably the slightest drop in value over the next few weeks. But yeah, do keep an eye out on it. Personally, I do not own any AMP tokens, but I will be buying some. So once I do, I will let you guys know on my Instagram story. So every time I buy or sell a crypto, doesn't matter what crypto, it can be AMP, SafeMoon, Bitcoin, whatever it is, I do post it on my story. I post my profits and my losses as well at times. So if you guys want to keep track of that and keep updated, then yeah, follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description box down below. So when can AMP hit the $10 mark? Let me know in the comment section down below what year you guys think AMP can hit $10. It is currently at 4 cents per coin, so it has to get rid of these 2 zeros and add another 0, and to make it $10. It is possible in the long run, however it might take a few years and not just a few months, because it's got quite a long way to go. And in AMP, I believe in AMP, and I think it has a huge future, and hopefully it does hit huge numbers, and hopefully a new all-time high by Q1 of 2022 I'm expecting. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated on AMP, how it's performing, how it does, and what my predictions are. And I tend to keep you guys updated on a regular basis, about every 2 to 3 days, just to keep you guys in the loop and to show you guys how everything works and how I do my price predictions. Some parts as well, but there are other parts which I do which majorly affect the prediction of AMP. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hopefully $50 by end of 2022 is what I'm going to give it. Obviously it's not going to be a quick quick trip to the moon and back. It is going to take time. It is going to take a few years for it to hit the $10 mark. Hopefully it happens in 2022, but all we can do is wait and see. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Just a quick price update, price prediction on AMP, looking at some technical analysis as well on live. So all you can do for me is just subscribe to the channel and like this video, and also follow me on Instagram, and that'll be much appreciated. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for too long. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a good day, evening, night, wherever you're based in the world, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Take care and peace.